Hey Stitching Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are adding this gorgeous lace wing detail to the side of the Lea Thong. And the best thing, this is a trick you can use on any pattern you already own. And we are finishing the leg openings and also the waistline with Picot elastic for that extra soft and beautiful touch. All patterns and materials are linked below and don't forget to subscribe, it really means the world to me. Now let's jump right in. For this style you will need a main fabric, then a small piece of a lining fabric, I'm using cotton jersey for both, a stretch lace and a Picot elastic. I'm using the Lea Thong pattern and I already added a seam allowance to both leg openings, the waistline and also the leg openings on the crotch piece. It's because of the Picot elastic. First thing we need to do is to create the lace wing. So I will overlap my front and back side seams just about 6 millimeters. It's the seam allowance. Now I can copy this line. I have the Lea panties right here, so I can use them to decide where I want to place the wing or the lace. And I think it can start somewhere here. It will be really nice from here. So it's 13 centimeters right here, somewhere here, 13 here, and then also 13 right here. And now I can just make a line from these 2 points. And we will get the wing. And we will see, yeah, pretty nice. I just need to add, I just need to add the seam allowance also here, 6 millimeters again. Six, and 6 right here. This could work, we will see. So I just need to write down, this is the front and back and seam, side seam. Okay, we can compare them. So I think we can start with the lace. Cut the wing from the paper. Then place it along the decorative lace edge and cut one. And flip it onto the other side of the lace and cut second perfectly mirrored piece. Then cut one crotch piece from the lining fabric. Oh no. And front and back from the main one. I just need to use 2 pattern weights. Classic with moments, oh my. Oh, it can happen. It's just me. And we will finish the long edge of the crotch piece with a zigzag or serger first. Now we can place the front and the back pieces right sides together. Pin or baste the crotch seam. Then take your lining crotch piece and place it right side facing the wrong side of your back piece. And again, pin or baste the crotch seam, all 3 layers together. And sew the crotch seam. And pin and sew one side seam, right sides together. Now set your machine to zigzag stitch. Take your Picot elastic and finish the waistline first. So I am placing the Picot elastic right side facing the right side of the top edge. And try to sew as close to the decorative edge as you can. You can gently stretch the elastic as you go. Now fold the elastic to the wrong side and stitch it once more. Pin and sew the second side seam. Don't forget to backstitch. Place the crotch piece wrong side facing the wrong side of the front one and pin and baste it in a place. Now we can turn the panties to the right side. Take the lace wings, mark the side seam, then place it right onto the side seam and pin and baste it in a place. And then do exactly the same with the second one. Mark the side placement. Yeah, this is the right side. Then place it right onto the side seam. Now take your Picot elastic again and we will finish closed like openings. I think we can start right here at the side seam and we will finish it by overlapping the elastic. So I'm starting right here at the side and gently stretching the elastic, but really gently. And I will overlap the elastic right here about 1 centimeter. And exactly the same on the other side. And overlapping again. Remove the basting stitches. Then trim the seam allowance. And then turn the panties right side out. Fold the elastic to the wrong side and stitch both leg openings once more. I will start right here at the crotch seam, so the double stitching won't be that visible. And our Lea Thongs with the lace wings are done. What do you think? I really love this detail. And I think I will try to make it on the Brazilian panties as well, because it's really cute. This is where we overlapped the Picot elastic, but I think it's pretty okay because we have the lace right here, so it's not that visible. Yeah, love it. Let's try them on.